What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are at the Phoenix Raceway today for the PBA All-Star Weekend Skills Challenge. Today I'm competing alongside Bill O'Neill and Tommy Jones on Team Brunswick. Hopefully we're taking down Team Storm and Team Motive and getting the first win of the All-Star Weekend. We got the Phoenix Raceway, and right behind me right now is the barn. It's a little spot right next to the Phoenix Raceway where they've actually set up the lanes, so let's go check it out.
I'm not introing this thing.
You are the intro. That's how we get people to stick around.
My competition with Team Brunswick, I will be bowling the strike contest. Bill will be doing a spare contest, and Tommy Jones will be doing a trick shot contest, and the three of us combined hopefully will score enough points to win and beat Team Storm and Team Motive. So for me, the strike contest is going to be 5 shots, and then it'll be the final 2, and one of us will get eliminated after another 5 shots. So it'll be 5 shots, drop the lowest score, 5 more shots, drop the lowest score. It's not about total number of pins, it's just about strikes.
Do it.
One.
What if that was the trick?
That would have been great if
the
the one struck and all of them were on the gutter.
I'll tell you right now, my question is going to be, who do you think's got the craziest trick shots? Who do you think's going to have the craziest trick shot?
Of these 3 guys, who do you think is going to have like the craziest trick shot?
Well, I always look for the big underdog. You know, Tommy and Sean have been working on trick shots their whole life. We've seen them do crazy things. So that means I think Sam Cooley will shock us all with whatever he
do
pulls
something
out.
crazy?
He'll do something crazy that
fair.
we're never going to forget. I remember the last time we did a really good trick shot competition was at the first World Series ever.
Okay.
And we put Asku Palermo from Finland in the contest.
Threw it over the chair.
He went over the chair. It blew everybody's mind. It blew my mind. I ran around.
And Sam Cooley's up next.
Sam Cooley might do the next one.
Viral moment coming from Sam Cooley, I guess. One of the beauties of the tape show is the lanes are broken right now, and since it's not live, they have as much time as they want to fix it. So hopefully it doesn't take too long, but schedule will start at 6 and it's already 6.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome Involved in that trick shot competition, wanted to introduce him to you right now. He's a 29-time titleist on the PBA Tour, 9th on the all-time list. Say hi to Hall of Famer Mike Albee.
I might use it. I might use it.
Time PBA champion, Hall of Famer Tommy Jones. And a 14-time PBA Tour titleist, the real deal, Bill O'Neal. Three-time PBA champion, Tom Smallwood. And 21-time PBA.
Well, as you guys saw, didn't quite go my way there. I only struck once out of like the 5 shots. Team Brunswick lost. We finished second to Team Storm. Kyle, Darren, and Rash actually won every single event from the strike competition to the spare competition, all the way down to the trick shots. There wasn't an event that those guys didn't win, so congrats to them. I had an absolute blast in Phoenix, Arizona, and now it's time to spend the next 3 days on a little bit of a vacation here with Madison. So I'll catch you guys later, and until the next one, peace.